Alright, hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a heavenly glow effect inside Premiere Pro. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we are inside of Adobe Premiere Pro and I am currently using all panels workspace here. So to do that, just hover your mouse at the top, click on all panels, or you can go to window at the top, click on workspace and click on all panels. By doing that, now you will see on this, we are on the same workspace and we are in the same workflow that you can follow. I already have a sequence here. We have a deer and a baby. All right. Now, if you want to know how to create a sequence, just go here in the assets folder, go to the photo, and then you can just drag and drop it here or right click on it. And then once you right click on that, click on new sequence from clip. It will automatically create a sequence for you. All right. So in this case, I have two clips in here that I will be adding the heavenly glow effect. All right, so all we have to do is to duplicate this this clip. All right, so I can I can select this two clip, right click, and then I can copy it and then paste it on top of each other. But to make sure, before you do that, make sure your V2 is selected. All right, and then unselect the V1 and then you choose Command V, and then you'll be selecting that one that way. All right, so the deer and the baby. All right, so or you can just simply hold down the command once you select this. Or you can just simply hold down the option key on your keyboard and then just drag and drop it here on the second timeline. All right. So in this case, I'm gonna undo it. All right. Command C. Okay. Now we have these two clips stuck on each other. All right. The next thing that we need to do is we're going to add an effect on the on these videos at the top. All right, so to do that, let's go to the effects search here. Let's search for Gaussian blur, so BLUR for blur, and then we can search for under video effects. Under video effects, blur and sharpen, we have the Gaussian blur here. So we are going to add this effect both in our top video. All right, I'm gonna add it to the first video. Now we have the Gaussian blur at the top. All right, now to change those properties, we need to click on this and then we go to effects control and scroll down and look for Gaussian blur. As you can see, it's already here. All right, so all we have to do is to change the blurriness to around 200. Let's try that, or 700. Let's enter. All right, there's a blur effect in here, and then for the blend mode under opacity, 100%. So we can change this blend mode to screen. All right, there you go. And then you can also do it also here. All right, so let's go to blend mode, which is screen, and then for Gaussian blur, let's try to put it on 200. Let's try that. All right, there you go. All right, let's try to change it to around 202 for the blurriness. 200. Okay. Now once we play this, all right, then you will see those effect on it's like a heavenly glow effect on the video. All right. Now you can change those settings. You know, if you want to put some opacity here. All right. So let's try to make it a little bit larger. All right. Okay, for the opacity, let's try to create a keyframe for this. Let's create a keyframe for that. And then once we go here, let's try to remove the opacity to around 18%. All right. And then we can go here and bump it again for around 60. All right. It really depends on you. You can play with that. So you can see it's go fading and then go fade again. There you have it. You can also do it like that on the second frame. You can go to opacity, you can create a keyframe here, make sure there's a keyframe that you attach in here, and then you scroll to wherever you want to put in. Then you can change the opacity to around 25, 34, 50, depends on you. And then once you play with that, it's giving you the heavenly glow. It fades in, it fades out, and there you have it. All right, so let's try to play it in the large screen. Alright, so that's how you add a heavenly glow effect inside Premiere Pro. Alright, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.